Savings and exporting. Supported files format. Audio import formats. Star indicates format whose support was introduced in Photoshop CS6. AAC, AIFF, M2A, M4A, MP2, MP3. Video import formats. Indicates formats whose support was introduced in Photoshop CS6. 264, 3GP, 3GPP, AVC, AVI, F4V, FLV, MOV, MPE, MPEG1, MPEG4, MPEG2 if a decoder is installed, MTS, MXF, R3D, TS, VOB. Note: AVI beginning with Photoshop CC 2019 version CC 2019 the format is no longer supported for import on Mac. It is supported on Windows only. SWF playability beginning with Photoshop CC 2019 version 20.0. SWF playability using file open as options is no longer supported on both Mac and Windows. SWF files won't play in Photoshop. Video export format indicates format whose support was introduced in Photoshop CS6, DPX, MOV, MP4, JPEG 2000. Graphics file format BMP, Xenon, CompuServe GIF, DICOM, IFF format, JPEG, JPEG 2000, large document format PSB, OpenEXR, PCX, Photoshop 2.2, Photoshop DCS 1.2, Photoshop DCS 2.2, Photoshop EPS, Photoshop PDF, Photoshop PSD, Photoshop RAW, PICT resource, Pixar, PNG, Portable Bitmap, Radiance, Skytex CT, Targa, TIFF, Wireless Bitmap, 3D related format. Indicates format whose support was introduced in Photoshop CS6. 3D Studio, DAE, Flash 3D, JPS, KMZ, MPO, U3D, Wavefront, OBJ. Save files in graphics format. As of the 2015 release of Photoshop CC, the file Save for Web option has been moved to File Export Save for a Web alongside newer export option. To learn more about these new export options, you can easily save your Photoshop image files to a wider array of popular image formats. Save in TIFF format. TIFF is a flexible raster image format supported by virtually all paint, image editing and page layout applications. Choose File, Save As, choose TIFF from the Format menu and click Save. In the TIFF Options dialog box, select the options you want and click OK. Bit depth specifies the bit depth of the saved images. Image compression specifies a method for compressing composition image data. If you saving a 3D bit TIFF file, you can specify that the file being saved with predictor compression, but you don't have the option to use JPEG compression. Predictor compression offers improved compression by rearranging floating points values and work with both LZW and ZIP compressions. JPEG compressions is available only for opaque RGB and grayscale images that are 8-bit per channel and no more 30,000 pixels wide or high. Pixel order writes the TIFF files with the channels data interleaved or organized by plane. Previously, Photoshop always wrote TIFF files with the channel ordered interleaved. Theoretically, the planar order files can be read and written faster and offer a little better compression. Both channels orders are backward compatible with earlier versions of Photoshop. Byte order. Select the platform on which the file can be read. This option is useful when you don't want what program the file may be opened in. Photoshop and most recent applications can read files using either IBM PC or Macintosh byte order. Save image pyramid. Preserves multiple resolution information. Photoshop does not provide options for opening opening multi-resolution files, the image opens at the highest resolution within the file. However, Adobe InDesign and some image servers provide support for opening multi-resolution formats. Save transparency. Preserve transparency as an additional alpha channel when the file is opened in another application. Transparency is always preserved when the file is reopened in Photoshop. Layer compression specifies a method for compressing data for pixels in layers. Many applications cannot read layer data and skip over it when opening a TIFF file. Photoshop, however, can read layer data in TIFF files, although files that includes layer data are larger than those that don't. Saving layer data eliminates the need to save and manage a separate PSD file to hold the layer data. Choose discard layers and save a copy if you want to flatten the image. Note: to have Photoshop prompt you before saving an image with multiple layers, select Ask before saving layer TIFF files in the file handling area of the preference dialog box. Save in JPEG format. You can use the save as command to save CMYK, RGB and grayscale images in JPEG. JPEG compresses file size by selectively discarding data. You can also save an image as one or more JPEGs using the file export save for web command. JPEG supports only 8-bit images. If you have a 16-bit image to this format, Photoshop automatically lowers the bit depth. To quickly save a medium quality JPEG, place save as JPEG medium action on the file. You can access this action by choosing production from the actions panel menu. Choose file, save as and choose JPEG from the format menu. In the JPEG option dialog box, select the option you want and click OK. Matte offers matte color choice to simulate the appearance of background transparency in image that contains transparency. Image options specify the image quality. Choose an option from the quality menu. Drag the quality pop-up slider or enter a value between 0 and 12 in the quality text box. Format options specify the format of your JPG file. Baseline uses the format recognized by most web browsers. Baseline optimized creates a file with optimized colors and a slightly smaller file size. Thank you.